May nagbasa ka news? Huh? Anong news mo? Huh? What's your news? Who? Really? What else happened? You tell me the entire story. Huh? What? What happened? And then? And then? And then? No more? And then? You know? Your lolo, lola, uncle, auntie in Manila, they miss you. They love you so much. Huh? Would you like to visit them in Manila? Huh? Would you like to visit them in Manila?